Hello everyone, maayong hapon. So today I'm gonna show you around. I'm at the veranda of our apartment here in Toronto and yun, grabe ang snow. So kita na to sa likod, no? Puti-puti na ang mga balay ng mga buildings. And as per the forecast by AccuWeather, it's gonna snow I think all day. In fact, the snow has started ganihang buntag. And yeah, as per the forecast again, as per the thickness, it's gonna be 15 to 25 centimeter thick. So, pakita na ko ninyo sa August. So, dire no, makita na to. So, naana siya po sa sulod. So, it has begun to accumulate even sa ato na veranda. But down below, so makita na to, pilit siya. And it's gonna be a challenge walking in this condition. Grabe ang snow. My wife has already gone off to work. So hopefully, okay lang siya. Well, she has all the things she needs naman. So, basta proper attire lang ka dire with the boots, and proper clothing. Okay lang man siya, pero still you need to be careful kay prone gyapon siya sa prone sa slide, no? You might baka madulas ka. So yun, even with the proper attire, you still need to be careful while walking in the snow. So down below, that's the roof of the Shoppers drugstore. So, then ang mga balay, puti na siya. So tonight, cell group namo, no, sa among small group meeting. However, I'm not sure if we're gonna go and meet physically kay murag lisod jud. In fact, above, grabe kay siya na almost di na niyo makita ang so grabe ang fog na, no. Then di niyo makita ang building sa unahan. So yung anak diri mag-snow and nagkagrabe na siya kasi malapit na February. Mas grabe sa Feb ang winter diri sa Canada. So, hindi mo makita ang tip sa building. Alright, so that's it. So sulod na tagbalik kay grabe na katugnaw. So guys, mas may grabe na jod. So look at that. Almost zero visibility. So this type of weather is very dangerous, no? Especially for sa kanang mga sakyanan. So makita nimo below lang jud na sila, hinay-hinay lang jud ka kay you don't wanna risk na ma-slide imo ligid, no? And who knows what might happen. So and that goes also for sa mga naglakaw. Kay delikado din siya. This is not an ordinary occurrence, no? During the ordinary snow na lang, mas grabe karon. Mas grabe jud ang ganihang buntag pa ni, and it has not stopped. So we're expecting baga nga snow today. So yeah, so hope everyone stay safe. Wala lang tayo maaksidente. Yeah, this is not good. So later, I still have to fetch my wife from work. So hopefully muhunong lang unta. No, ito unta muhunong lang unta ang snow. Grabe. So yeah. Sulod na din siya dito sa balay, sa veranda. Okay, so that's the last update. So let's see what will happen in the next few hours. So guys, time check. It's around 4:30. So here, kita nyo baga na ang accumulation inside. But sa gawas, mas baga pa. So yon ang trees, no? Napalitan na yung so nagkaroon na siya ng leaves. White leaves, so yung snow. So nakabalot na sa mga trees yung snow, and even on the roof. So it's all white, and below, yeah. So very tricky to drive in this kind of weather. And it hasn't stopped. So they're saying it's a winter storm, and it's gonna last, I think, until tomorrow morning. Okay, there you go.